Lauro, ikaw ba yan?
Kumusta ang New Zealand?
Mainit.
Mainit?
Summer siya ngayon.
Ngayon, malamig. Anyway, alam mo ba na kaarawan ni Dalisay?
Si Dalisay, kapatid ni Luningning?
Na kapatid ni Tani, na kapatid ni...
Solomon.
So, kailangan, 75 na siya eh. So, kailangan batiin siya ng anak ni Roque. Kaya kita tinawagan. So, pwedeng
Okay.
batiin natin.
Kaya lang, kailangan nandito si Ate Gina.
Oo nga eh.
Paano yan? Ate Gina ba daw?
Oo, Ate Gina. Oo. That is the cue.
We're here!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you!
Wow, singing. Happy birthday. Singing daw tayo.
Singin mo tayo.
Ewan ko saan ka?
Last
Happy
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Ate Day.
Tita Day! Ay, Ate Day!
Happy birthday!
Wish you happiness, good health,
Long life.
long life. God bless you all.
And say hi to Roxy.
This is Bong Bong!
Lauro!
Hey!
Okay.
Happy birthday! Shout out kay Swani. Wala siya eh.
Yes. Wala, hindi siya makakonect. Mahina ang kanyang connection.
Oh, dapat kasama siya sa plan, pero wala siya. Pero happy birthday today.
Happy birthday, Ate Daisy!
We love you!
Okay, done.
Sa aking pinakamamahal na kaibigan na si Miss Dalisay Remulla sa Bater Isguera. Maligayang bati sa araw ng iyong kaarawan. Have a blessed, healthy, and wonderful birthday today. I wish nandyan din ako to celebrate with you and your family and friends. Ang bilis talaga ng panahon, di ba? Imagine, 11 years old ka pa lang nung una tayong magkita. Ngayon, 75 years old ka na. Parang kailan lang, eto, tumanda na tayo. Pero ang ating pagkakaibigan is still going strong. I just wanted you to know how much I truly, truly treasure and value our 64 years of everlasting friendship. Muna, may nakalimutan pa akong sabihin eh. Hindi ko na matandaan. Pero talaga ang hirap mag-record. Alam mo na yon. Para na rin yung nangyari sa atin sa Singapore na hindi tayo marunong mag-selfie. And remember the Frenchman? Anyway, I don't have enough to say more in this video. So, in closing, I just want to say, mahal na mahal kita and will always love you. Enjoy your day. My dearest darling friend. Love you. Hello, Day. This is part 2. Naalala ko na yung gusto kong sabihin sa'yo. Ito yun. I'm so grateful that you came into my life. That's it. Okay? Bye. Love you.
Birthday Ate Day! Wish you good health, enjoy life, and be happy!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lala Day!
Happy birthday, Tita Day!
Happy birthday! I hope you have a great birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Day! Enjoy your birthday. We love you. Love you.
Happy birthday, happy
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nana Daisy.
Happy birthday,
Balae.
Happy birthday, my dear cousin. Wishing you a year of health, happiness, peace, and prosperity. Love you. Happy birthday.
Day.
Happy birthday, Tita Day! Wishing you good health and more blessings to come. Happy birthday to you!
Hi, Ate Day. Happy birthday. I wish you good health and more travel with joy. Okay? Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday, Daisy!
Happy birthday.
Tita Day.
Tita Daisy, happy birthday.
Yeah.
Hope you have a wonderful birthday. And I hope you have a good time.
And you've been giving me back in the back.
Okay, happy birthday. Bye-bye, Tita.
Hi, Auntie Daisy and family. We wanted to send you warm birthday wishes from your cousin Sally, your dad Larry, Chase, Kristen family, and your niece Sheena.
Hi, Ate Daisy. Happy birthday. How I wish we were there to attend your birthday personally. Time passes by so quickly. During the last 5 years, we were there when we celebrated your birthday. I remember that very dearly when we celebrated your birthday in Amadeo, Cavite. What we wish you is, may the Lord bless you and with many more happy, healthy birthdays and more blessings to come. And whatever the desires of your heart, may the Lord grant and bless you too. And I would like to take this opportunity to greet all our relatives and friends. Hello, and ingat kayo dyan. God bless you all, and thank you. Hope to see you all soon. Bye.
Hi Ninang, happy birthday po. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ang wish ko po sa inyo ay sana po magkaroon kayo palagi ng magandang kalusugan. Magkaroon po kayo ng mahabang buhay pa po. Sana po magkita po tayo muli pag uwi namin dyan. Okay, ingat po. God bless you po, Ninang. I love you.
Here's to another year of good health and happiness. Happy birthday today.
75th birthday is an important milestone worth celebrating. It means you're entering a new stage in life. Ate Daisy, I wish you a joyful 75th birthday and a wonderful year full of love, laughter, happy memories, and more travels. Happy birthday again and God bless.
Hello! Happy birthday, Ate Daisy! Sana nandiyan kami para lalong masaya ang birthday mo. Pero ganoon pa man, enjoy lang ang birthday. O sige na, kamusta na kayo dyan lahat? Happy birthday uli!
Happy birthday, Ate Daisy. Stay beautiful and healthy. Okay, say hi everyone. I love you all. Happy birthday. God bless you. More birthdays to come. Okay.
Good morning, Daisy. This is Polly wishing you a very happy birthday and more to come. Lots of blessings and trips, and come and visit us in California. Bye.
Hello, Mom Day. Though we're miles apart, our friendship turned into a big family, our Tropang K. I wish you good health and long life. May your heart be filled with long-lasting happiness. You are a very good person with a very good heart. happy 75th birthday, my dearest beloved Mom Day. Enjoy your day. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Ate Day. Your age is just a number. You look still amazing. We wish you good health, long life, and more blessings. Your birthday be filled with happiness, love, and peace. Cheers, Ate Day. See you next month. Happy birthday again.
Okay, ako naman. Happy birthday, Ate Daisy. Sana andyan na kami ngayong birthday mo. Sorry na late kami. February 10 pa ang dating namin dyan. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo at andyan lang si Ate Lynn at ang mga kaibigan yung iba pa. Enjoy your birthday, Ate Day.
Cheers
again.
Happy birthday, Mommy Daisy! We love you! We miss you! See you soon from Winnipeg!
Happy birthday, Lola Daisy. I hope you're having a good time in the Philippines. I miss you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Hi, Ate Day. Ano? Nagulat ka to. Siyempre, no, hindi ko naman palalampasin ng 75th birthday mo nang hindi kita binabate. Naku, I'm sure marami kang mga bisita dyan kasi maraming nagmamahal sa'yo, no? Isa na ako dun sa mga nagmamahal sa'yo kaso hindi nga lang ako makapunta dyan ngayon. For now, I just want to greet you a happy birthday. And ang wish ko para sa'yo, hindi ko maisip kung anong dapat ko i-wish para sa'yo. Parang kumpleto na naman, no? Wala ka nang mahihiling pa. You have a very comfortable life. Yung mga anak mo, mga very successful. So, yung mga apo mo naman, mga achievers. So, ano pang hihilingin mo? Gusto mo ng boyfriend? Joke lang, no? Alam ko, hindi mo naman ipagpapalit ang love of your life. So, for now, palagay ko, ang magandang i-wish para sa iyo is good health para hindi ka nagkakasakit. Ayoko magkasakit ka. Long life para madalas pa tayo magkita ng matagal-tagal, no? Tagal na nating di nagkikita actually, no? So, yun lang for now. Enjoy the party. Enjoy your birthday. So, basta, next month palagay ko, dadalawin kita kasi alam ko, miss na miss mo na ako at miss na rin kita. So, yun lang, Ate Day. I love you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Mwah. Enjoy the party.
Happy 75 birthday po, te. Sana po magkaroon po kayo ng maraming birthday pa po. At nagpapasalamat din po ako sa inyo nung nandyan po ako sa inyo. Napakabait niyo po sa akin. Tinuring niyo po akong hindi iba. Kayo po nila, Kuya Fred. Kayo pong buong pamilya. Napakabait niyo po. Salamat po kahit hanggang ngayon. Hindi niyo pa rin po ako nakakalimutan. Happy birthday po ulit eh. Ingat po lagi. Ingat po sa kalusugan. Pag-uwi ko po, pasyalan po kita. Sige po, te. Happy birthday po ulit. God bless po.
Hi, Mom Daisy. We want to greet you a happiest birthday. And, alagaan niyo po sarili niyo. And na-miss ko po yung banding natin sa Plaza Canteen, Mang Inasal, at saan-saan pa na magkasama tayo. And, hope you see you soon. Wish wishes. Bye.
Hello, Daisy. Wishing you a magnificent 75th birthday, filled with joy and cherished moments. As you celebrate this important milestone in your life, let me share with you an acrostic based on the letters of your name. D for devoted. Your devotion to love, teach, and care for your family is exemplary. A for affable. You were always been friendly, kind, and easy to talk to. I for invigorating. I cherish your warm, refreshing, and uplifting vibes. S for strong. You have battled life's challenges and emerged victorious. And lastly, Y for youthful. May you remain young at heart and live a life of purpose with your family, friends, and community. With all my love, have a happy and blessed 75th birthday, dearest friend, Daisy. God bless you.